Next, please. This is again benzene, toluene, and xylene level are going down over the period. Next, please. These are the exclusive monographs. One is on pH, another is on VOC or BTX, benzene mainly, and these are on our website. You can download these. All details are there regarding their sources, effects, monitoring protocols, ambient levels, and their nationwide and international standards, everything. Next, please. This recently we have come up with one more newsletter. It is on hazardous air pollutant, which again include all persistent organic pollutants like dioxin, furan, PCBs, VOCs, carbonyls, aldehydes, ketones, and metals. And this is on our website now. Only last month it has been carried out. Next, please. So I was also asked to give you a glimpse of metal analysis. However, Dr. Bhargav has already covered in detail. So we are measuring with sampling with the RDS, and we are doing 8-hour monitoring using EPM 2000 filter paper, and then we are analyzing on flame atomic absorption spectrometry. Next, please. Atomic absorption spectrophotometry principle you are maybe aware, so I need not to explain much. We use a holocathode lamp pertinent to the specific element and at a particular wavelength. And before introduction of the sample, you need only to extract the sample in acid medium. Next, please. So this is the picture of flame atomic absorption spectrophotometer. This is the sample, this is nebulizer, and this suck the sample into the flame, and it is ignited here, and flame is ignited here, and then sample is atomized, and then current in the form of current signal is passed to the detector. Next, please. And this is the procedure. You have to digest the sample with nitric acid and hydrochloric acid mixture, 100 ml of distilled water, and it is my advice you have temperature below 100, not 100 or so. So I will advise 80 degrees is good, because some of these lead and arsenic particularly are volatile, of volatile nature. So you digest at a lower rate, and then you see when the volume comes to about 10 ml, you stop the digestion, and then if you see the dirtiness, then you again add some nitric acid, again reflux it for some time, and then finally cool and add distilled water, and then make up to 100 ml, and then send it for the AS analysis. Next, please. And these are the wavelengths for arsenic, nickel, and lead. And 193, 232, 217, and these are the detection limits. For arsenic cannot be done with flame atomic absorption in our desired limits. So you have to do with graphite furnace, because detection limit for arsenic is very high with atomic absorption spectrophotometer without graphite furnace. So you have to use graphite furnace for that. And nickel and lead can be done easily. Next, please. And this is, yeah, please. Hydrogen generation can also be done. Hydrogen generation you can do with hydrogen generation also. That has, I think, is still better detection limit than the graphite furnace, hydrogen generation. So this is a small exercise, but I was not knowing. You all are expert. You can do these things easily. Eh? This I was thinking maybe there may be some students and all these things. Eh? So but even then, if you are interested, you can do this exercise for calculation purpose. And next, please. These are the answers also. Next, please. Thank you very much.
monitoring being used in the continuous care quality
Yes, please.
just to keep the few principles and methodology being used in the BTX monitor, being used in the continuous care quality monitoring that we are using in the current basis.
Whatever I have explained here to you, all these being practiced by us. We have not told anything to you which we are not using. So all the methods I have explained to you about the BTX, we are practicing, including the passive sampling, including the adsorbent tubes, both type, activated charcoal as well as the thermal desorption tubes. Then PAH, which I told you, GC method, and online method also. So we are using all those techniques, and I had given you the choice, and I have told the advantage and disadvantage of all also. So you can start with the simple one. This is my advice.